गुड मॉर्निंग दोस्तों। फिर फाइनली हम लोग पहुंच रहे हैं अभी रेणुगुंटा स्टेशन में। और आसपास का नज़ारा आप लोगों को दिखाते हैं। तो दोस्तों फाइनली हम लोग घुस रहे हैं स्टेशन रेणिगुंटा। ट्रेन टाइम पे ही था, लेकिन स्टेशन पहुंचने के पहले 15 मिनट पहले रुक गया है, तो 15 मिनट लेट हो गया।
हम उतरेंगे चलेगा, तुम ऊपर चढ़ना मांगता है बस।
Friends, we are on the way to Tirumala Hill, and we are very much grateful to Rao Sahab that he has arranged everything for us. So see the natural beauty. This is sunshine today morning. Today is the 5th April 2023. So Rao Sahab arranged one car for us. We are going along with Rao Sahab on the way to the Tirumala Hill. Thank you. So friends, we are approaching nearby the Tirumala Hill. As you can see, the beautiful hill in the backside. You can see too far. Top of the hill there is a temple. There is one of the temple.
That is that Namum.
Namum temple. Beautiful. You tell me something about the Tirupati Balaji, sir.
Yeah, we are at Alipuri checking point now.
Yeah.
We have scanned our luggage.
Yeah.
And from here the ghat starts.
Okay.
To go to the main temple.
Yeah.
And it takes almost half an hour's time.
Okay.
It is a 20 km distance from here.
Okay. Fine,
Okay.
sir. Thank you. See, as we have reached nearby the Tirumala Hills, this side look like the face of the Balaji. This side is looking like a nose, and this side look like the head.
From here the first hill starts at 7 hills, sir.
Okay. The 7 hills start.
We will travel all 7 hills, sir.
Okay.
Then only we will reach Tirumala.
Oh, after crossing the 7 hills.
Yes. Now we will entire hills are ghat roads only.
Okay. So finally, from the Alipuri checkpoint, we are moving towards Tirumala. As you can see, the roads are very beautiful, neat and clean, full of trees. As you can see upside, we need to cross several hills, then we will reach the Tirumala complex. Itself environment is very good, beautiful environment. So now we are climbing the ghats. Now it is giving us a very good excitement. Gradually you are reaching towards Tirumala. So wildlife is also there, no? Yeah, as I can see the board.
If you go by steps, no, you can see the deers also.
Deers, okay.
So many deers.
Okay. So from where these steps are they are
Victory is there, no? Across, no? From there.
Okay.
And another name was River Medu.
Okay.
From there, the steps are less. From Alipur, it is around 4,000.
Okay. So we are climbing the ghats. As you can see, the
That
city,
is Tirupati.
Tirupati city. So we will introduce you with our pilot. So what is your name, sir?
Manohar Reddy.
Manohar Reddy. Yeah. Oh, great. Thank you very much that you are accompanying us. This we have reached a Tirupati point. So we can see the main city from here. As you can see this side, this is the main Tirupati city. This is just middle of the ghat. There is a point called Tirupati point. Little, I can zoom it little. As you can see, my daughter and my wife, and also is there. Thank you, Rasa. You can see this is a different type of landscape.
We already entered this Tirumala from here.
From where we are entering the Tirumala.
This is the main temple.
This is the main temple. We are entering the Tirumala complex. What a beautiful pine trees. No, it's just like a hill station type.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yes. I'm telling you, this is a different world altogether.
Yeah. Few days people can stay over here. Pure oxygen.
Yes. There windmills are there.
You can see the big windmills on the top of the hill. There are a number of windmills. As you can see, one rest house is there. Now we are entering car parking.
అక్కడ పార్కింగ్ ఉంది ముందు పక్క మెయిన్ రోడ్లో ఇటు పెట్టి ఇటు దగ్గర
Lots of cars are parked.
ముందర పెట్టచ్చు కదా ఏం బా ముందు పెట్టుకోవచ్చు కదా ఆ పక్క మనుషులు ఉంటే నేరుగా పెట్టేస్తా ఉండవా
You can see we have reached the Tirumala complex and waiting for the view. We to get tea from this tea stall. And you can see the other places. As you can see, there are lots of food stalls over here. So we purchased Dhosa, and my wife and daughter both are taking the Dhosa. I can show you from this side how many stalls are there. There are lots of stalls. As you can see, what is in the stall, the chole bhature is available. Both the pulaus are available. Idlis are available. Medu Vada. As you can see, the size of the bhature. Here, this from this side. Separately, there is sambar and chutney. Both are available. Yes. See, I will show you how they are preparing the dosa. Beautiful. This is what dosa? Masala? Masala dosa? Onion dosa. Okay. He is preparing the onion dosa. This is the first time I can see anybody is preparing the onion dosa, as we cannot get it in our city. Now see, nicely curved out, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Thank you. Finally, we got the accommodation at here. I can see you this accommodation, the beautiful accommodation at Tirumala. As you can see, just it is beside the main temple. Our accommodation is. This is our accommodation. This is our room. Where we are sitting on the Tirumala in a private restaurant. So this is the thali. Lots of items are there. We are sitting along with my family. Rao Sahib is there. This is the main thali.